We talk to businesses and nonprofit organizations every day, and they all have one thing in common. They know they need to improve their search engine rankings, but they don't have time to learn how to do it. Enter Diib. Diib's answer engine demystifies SEO and drives customers to your website. We help you determine what's working well for your site, what needs improvement, and we tell you where to begin and what to do about it, even if you're not an SEO professional. How does it work? First, in just 60 seconds, Diib scans your website for free and tells you which keywords you're showing up for, which parts of your website are performing well, and which need improvement. If you have Google Analytics, we can tell you even more about what you can do to improve your website's visibility. If you don't have Google Analytics or even know what it is, no problem. Our team of growth experts will install it for you. Diib then creates easy-to-understand actions you can take to improve your website's performance. We call these objectives and alerts. Objectives tell you what objectives you should be going after to improve your performance, like making sure your backlinks are linking to the correct pages and making sure your website is loading as fast as it needs to be. Alerts tell you how you're doing against those objectives and give you clear instructions on what to do. All Pro members get access to one of our certified growth experts who collectively have more than 10 years of SEO experience. They are available in whatever time zone you live in to give you a free telephone or email consultation to help you understand how to get the most out of Diib. We also have a collection of core services you can purchase to have our team kickstart your SEO efforts and drive qualified customers to your site. Beyond SEO, Diib can connect to your Facebook Insights and Google My Business data channels to drive additional traffic to your website. Sign up for a free trial or a pro membership for just $29.99 per month to start sending traffic to your website today.